Apples, i-cube lang. Some sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, some salt, and then cornstarch mix, and then some butter. Cook on medium-low heat para lang mag-soften gamay ang apple and mag-caramelize ang sugar. Then set aside for the streusel, himota og flour, sugar, and melted butter. Mix and set aside. For the main batter, the usual nga melted butter and sugar, and then eggs, and then for this recipe natay cinnamon gamay, and then butangan nato siya og mayonnaise para soft ang ato ang muffins, and then some milk and cream mixture, and then flour, baking soda, and baking powder. Shout out kay Bonbon diha sa Marbel, South Cotabato. And then assemble na to atong muffins, then bake na to for 20 minutes. Pagbalik niya inganin na iyang itsura. And because daghan ta og time today, close up ta gamay. Oh, ingani iyang ingani siya oh. Then taste test dayon. Daw be. Try daw. First bite, second bite. Wow, gilub-lub gyud. Kalami ba? Yes. Comment lang mo guys kung gusto mo recipe ani sa gaanta mo. Then follow, like, and share. Bye.